what happens is, like, if you have got a prism, so a ray will come here, a ray will come, it will hit here, and then it bends towards the normal, and when it goes out it bends away from the normal. It bends away because it is going into air from glass less, so it is bending away, so it goes towards the base. But supposing this air was not there, it was a greater refractive index, like, then it will bend towards the normal. It won't bend away, it will bend. So this is what is happening when you dip the convex inside a 1.65, it will bend away instead of bending. Like, if it air, it is goes here, in if you put it in a liquid of 1.65, it will bend away from the normal. That means towards the it's bending toward, like, this is the prism. Normally the rays goes, hits, and then bends like this because it is bending away. But if it is denser medium, it will bend towards. So actually it is going towards the tip. So that is why it's going towards the tip. So it will go like this, and similarly this side will go like this, and it is now behaving like concave lens. Concave in concave, it goes like this. So that in this case, the focal length is turning, this is the focus. That means if the light is traveling in this direction, the focus is opposite direction, we get a negative focal length. So that's what he's showing. He's trying to show that when you take 1.65, the focal length is coming out negative because FA is positive. He has shown this. Why FA is positive? Because it's a convex lens. In air it will converge, in air it will converge. So Fa is this, it is in the direction of light, it is going to be a positive value. So if this is positive, if this is positive, this is number is negative, so the total Fa is negative. That means this is diverging lens or a concave lens. So when you dip it in 1.65, it starts behaving like a, and here again he use what's the maths he's using. First, he says this is with respect a glass and air, and this he doesn't know these values. This is not given R1, R2. So he says, okay, I don't have, but I can write the expression. This is equal. This he knows is positive. This he knows is positive. So both these he knows is positive. This is zero point 0.5. So positive into positive. So this is positive. So this whole thing is positive. So then he uses this, he knows this will come here. So he puts he says this is equal to this. So I'm putting 2 over FA. This is a positive number. This is also, this is a negative number. So positive into negative is negative. If it's negative, so it's a concave lens, it's a diverging lens. And the other, the opposite thing. In the other, this is again positive. And this is going to be 1.33 minus this. So it will be negative. It will be positive, and positive into positive is positive. So this is a concave lens, convex lens, and this you can see because it will bend towards the normal. So this is match. Then you, if you know FA, what is the change, you can just subtract and find in terms of FA. So he's given you that. So दूसरा part में what do you have?